Hello friends, welcome to this channel. In this video I am to explain the projectile motion. Please listen here. Projectile motion. Consider a particle projected from a point A with a vertical velocity u at an angle theta to the horizontal. The particle touches at B in the same horizontal level of A. This is the case. A particle is projected with a initial velocity u and it takes the path, parabolic path, and it touches at B. This path is a parabolic path and it is called trajectory. The velocity is a vector quantity, it is acting inclined, so it has two components: horizontal component u cos theta and vertical component u sin theta. The angle theta is called the angle of projection. It is projected from a point, starting point. This point is called point of projection. It reaches at B and A and B are in the same level. So from position time relation we get S equals ut plus half at square. Newton's equation, position time relation, which is for S denotes the vertical shift. A and B are in the same level, so vertical shift is 0. So in that case we should consider vertical velocity use ut minus half dt square. G is taken minus hence since this is upward motion, G is taken minus. So in the vertical shift, A and B are the same level, so vertical shift is 0 equals distance traveled equals 0 and ut minus half ut square. Ut means u sin theta vertical velocity into t minus half dt square, where t is called the time of flight, time taken to travel from A to B along this trajectory is called time of flight. Then ut minus half ut square becomes u sin theta equals half ut. So time of flight t equals u sin theta by g. So time taken from A to B is called time of flight. It is found by 2u sin theta by g. Again, AB is called horizontal range. Which is denoted by h. Horizontal range AB is found by time of flight into horizontal component of velocity. Horizontal component of velocity equals u cos theta. So 2u sin theta by g is the time of flight into horizontal component of velocity equals u cos theta. Multiply, you get u square 2 sin theta cos theta by g. U square into sin 2 theta, as sin 2 theta equals 2 sin theta cos theta. So horizontal range can be found u square sin 2 theta by g. That's all about projectile motion. Thank you.